did you? Anything you
Ripple continues leading mass adoption while many investors don't fancy it. Ripple, XRP, is among the top cryptocurrencies in the world. Its primary focus is to aid in global remittance payments and become the leading solution. As we do know, it still faces stiff competition with SWIFT. However, the cryptocurrency has attracted lots of attention ever since its inception, but still faces the debate of being a security or not, consistently. Additionally, most investors do not like Ripple or its products. Technically, Ripple trades between the 27 cents and 30 cents levels. Also, its short-term price structure is still at lower highs and lower lows, but its chart shows us that it started to slow down after the drop from 35 cents. First possible support is the August low or 2018 low and the round number area 25 cents. If it finds support from this area, then we will also have a bullish chart pattern called double bottom. Subsequently, a market analysis by known trader Easy Markets states that xRapid is approaching our support at 0.3349, horizontal overlap support, 61.8% Fibonacci extension, 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, short-term ascending support line, and a strong bounce might occur above this level, pushing price up to our major resistance at 0.3499, horizontal swing high resistance, 61.8% Fibonacci extension, 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. Stochastics, 89.53, is approaching support where a bounce above this level might see a corresponding rise in price. That said, Ripple got a step ahead as the cryptocurrency won a lawsuit to be not declared a security. The lawsuit has been dismissed without prejudice by the state court in California recently. Ripple has also given an excellent insight into the one of its product, xCurrent, through a video. The video revealed how xCurrent aims to solve the problems that SMEs have been facing for an extended period, including lack of transparency, traceability, and attached information. Ripple's xCurrent focuses on solving these problems and become an everlasting solution to the cost of transactions that are associated with SMEs. Even though this was done, the blockchain firm couldn't convince its community. On the other hand, xRapid, another product from Ripple for cross-border payments, is set to be launched before the year closes, and it is undergoing different tests from QAlex and xPermit. Ripple is planning to merge xVia, xRapid, and xCurrent together into one solution, known as Convergence. This was according to Jim Chauncey Kelly, the Director of Talents Acquisition at Ripple. As per the firm, the Convergence is software that synchronizes all of the Ripple's product. It was also added that with Convergence, industries could move their capital from one country to another and still enjoy fast speed and flexibility, with low transaction cost. Ripple has also answered the critics concerning the centralization of its protocol. David Schwartz, the CTO of Ripple, stated that XRP is a decentralized coin just like Bitcoin. But there are still concerns and questions concerning the centralization of the blockchain project. Nonetheless, Ripple seems to be leading as far as the mass adoption is concerned, as even the companies such as Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group acknowledged the use of Ripple solution in different parts of the world. The company is seeking ways to stamp its position as the leading solution for global remittances. Its xRapid will go live very soon, and this may attract more fintech companies to adopt it. Ripple threat: IBM launches the Stellar-powered cross-border payment platform. When it comes to speaking of cross-border payments, we all think immediately of Ripple, the company responsible for the creation of the third largest cryptocurrency of the market, XRP. Ripple has taken charge of developing the best solutions to improve cross-border transactions, and a proof of that is their products xCurrent and xRapid, the later one being the one that carries the XRP token to source liquidity for financial institutions. Ripple has made great efforts to spread its products across the financial sector, but truth be told, this hasn't been exactly a reality. In fact, many institutions have embraced xCurrent or xVia, but when it comes to adopting xRapid, it just seems like they are not that interested. On the other, we all know Stellar, XLM, has some strong ties tied with the tech giant IBM for many months now, and as it seems, everything is ready on their side to finally put a serious competition to Ripple's products. Let's find out how it goes. IBM announcement just a couple of days ago, IBM announced the launch of a new project dubbed WorldWire, a cross-border settlement platform that aims to revolutionize the financial world. The project was created in collaboration with Stellar, and it was known that the platform would use Stellar's blockchain protocols to function. It will mainly offer the same things Ripple was trying to with its solutions: fast transactions, the capacity of taking thousands of operations in seconds, and low costs. But the most significant difference is that IBM asseverates that 97% of its customers are financial institutions, or in other words, the most relevant bank entities in the world. It was also mentioned in recent IBM announcement that IBM networks manage at least 90% of the total credit card settlements, so this actually represents an excellent opportunity for the crypto sector concerning adoption, and of course, Stellar, XLM, would be the primary beneficiary. IBM declared that with the help of Stellar protocols, the company would be able to offer financial institutions a solution to settle the cross-border transactions in just a matter of seconds. The company stated that, faster payment processing, simultaneous clearing and settlement, lower costs, increased efficiency and simplified payment and assets type form of transaction were about to become a reality. It also added, with 97% of the world's largest banks as clients of IBM, there remains little doubt that their new flagship payments system won't be heavily advertised to their existing customer and client base. The target of the payment platform will be fintech, central banks, financial institutions, and cryptocurrencies as issued assets. The Stellar blockchain will play a vital role in the success of the project, as it will help to transact with digital assets in the form of IOUs, which of course, will dispel the possibilities of counterparty risks. Conclusion: with this new IBM collaboration, Stellar, XLM, appears as a crypto that we all need to look up for. It will surely hit the moon very soon. As for now, the crypto doesn't show that much of an increase, with a price of $0.223, and a decrease in the price by 0.87% in the last 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. But things turned into big surprises on either side is just a matter of time in the world of digital currencies, so stay tuned. Ripple CEO speaks on the Bitcoin scalability trials, crypto volatility, and regulations. During an interview that got held on the Stanford Legal Podcast, on 1st of this month, Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple's CEO, spoke on the vital issues that cryptocurrency world faces today. Garlinghouse also discussed the issue of cross-border settlements and a couple of other things. During the interview, Garlinghouse talked on what he thinks about cross-border payments' future. He mentioned how cross-border payments could be able to reduce the fee of the global transactions. Ripple's chief executive officer, that takes time and friction, cross-border, and any type of talk about friction is its cost. If we do it more efficiently, we can accelerate the global industries that we're talking about. The discussion moved further on how Ripple, XRP, aims to resolve the issue of cross-border payments, where Garlinghouse stated, "We sell technologies to banks that will allow them to connect that we call RippleNet, and that allows them to do cross-border payments in real time at very, very inexpensive fees." Even though the world has changed when it comes to technology, Garlinghouse added that it is amazing that lots of technological payments have a central counterparty. In regards to the illegal transactions that occur in the crypto sphere, Garlinghouse said that lots of companies start at the dark side, and then people start to know how much benefits and productivity can be derived for that same industry. In regards to regulating the cryptocurrencies, Garlinghouse stated that the cryptosphere was created based on decentralization, anti-governance, and so on. In regards to this, Garlinghouse spoke about the role of Ripple in this, as he said, "That's in some ways of what the business Ripple is building. That's a frustrating thing because it takes time and education to explain. There's a lot of misinformation. They're real-world use cases, as we talked about earlier, with its payment settlement, cross-border or security settlement, where you can use these techniques to have real-world benefits for economies, on consumers' experience, business experience." However, Garlinghouse supports the authorization process in cryptocurrency, which he said may benefit the cryptocurrency world in the long run. Ripple's CEO on scalability. There has been a lot of fuss around Ripple these days, and in the interview, Garlinghouse rambled a lot about Ripple and XRP. Ripple chief states, "Some of our products are built 100% using XRP, and some have nothing to do with XRP. You can use Bitcoin for some of the products we offer. The problem is, Bitcoin has some serious issues concerning scalability." Garlinghouse further explained the cost of purchasing goods using Bitcoin. As per Mr. Garlinghouse, the cost involved in the case of Bitcoin, BTC, is a little bit high, and the transaction time usually takes more than 50 minutes. He went on to say, "I am personally long on Bitcoin. I'm not trying to bash Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is not going to be a panacea that some people thought it would be for many different kinds of transactions, and instead you are seeing specialize in kind of use case dynamics for different transactions." Before the interview closed, Garlinghouse talked about the volatility and the reason for the unstable price of cryptocurrencies. He said that the long-term value of any cryptocurrency correlates with its utility to solve different problems. The most vital goal of any digital asset is its utility. Well said, Ripple head. We agree to your constructive conclusion. The utility is what that could determine each cryptocurrency's fate in the end.